How much sleep did you get last night? Are you exhausted before the day's even half done? Well, you're not alone. Nearly half of all Americans say they don't get enough sleep, and it affects their day-to-day life. Stress levels go up, anxiety goes up, and I'm sure you know it's just as hard to get through the day when you're running at 50%. Fortunately, there's a solution. Valerian root is a natural remedy that people all over the world have relied on since ancient times to get better sleep. In fact, it's one of the most commonly used sleep supplements in the United States and Europe. Research shows that valerian can help you get to sleep faster, sleep better, and best of all, it won't leave you feeling groggy in the morning. Valerian contains over 150 different plant compounds, including GABA, an amino acid that supports the neurotransmitters in the brain, which helps you feel calm. This means you can relax and get that uninterrupted sleep that your body desperately needs. Our valerian extract is made with our raw herbal extract technology and enhanced with a powerful blend of energized trace minerals for maximum potency. The convenient organic liquid formula has a sweet, mild flavor, and it's safe for regular use. Best of all, like everything from Global Healing Center, it's pure, lab tested, and backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee. It's time you get the rest you need. Try it today and wake up ready to take on the day tomorrow. I'm Dr. Group, and you have the power to change your life, the power to heal your body, and live healthy and happy.